All right, good evening, everyone. This is Daniel from Tradecraft 360 and providing a brief update on my position on Tesla. So, my prior video that I put out yesterday was me purchasing Tesla via TSLL. That's the 2 times levered long of Tesla. And the entry point was pretty decent. Just taking a closer look at that right now. So yeah, average purchase price of 1156.81, and essentially the idea yesterday was I was gonna hold off selling call premium into next week just to see if today's price action would result in a bounce for Tesla, which it did, and I was able to take advantage of the price appreciation for today by selling additional call premium into next week. So that's what this looks like here. So I sold the $15 call, 75 contracts at 30 cents. And yeah, I actually got a pretty decent premium for that, as well as the $18 call for 7 cents. So obviously next week is some event risk for Tesla. Obviously there's calendar risk as well. So there's a lot of things going on. Fairly happy with this trade overall. Kind of wish I bought more of TSLL. So what I plan to do is I am concerned for a sell-off in the broader markets into the election. Maybe midweek October is statistically speaking a pretty poor week for the market overall. So it wouldn't surprise me if a minor pullback, maybe sharp, could feel somewhat scary. If that were to happen, then obviously it would unwind some of the progress that I've made on this trade. So in anticipation of such an event, what I plan to do by midweek, so maybe Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, is sell the $12 call into November 1st. So the lead up to the election, not the election itself. And that would allow me to then reassess November 1st. And I do like trading into the election. I've done a number of event trades before, all the way back to Brexit, the 2016 election, the 2020 election. So I am somewhat familiar with how these things play out. So I do like to take advantage of that opportunity, which is why I chose the November 1st, or will choose the November 1st strike date. And I can roughly get, given the price action that I just saw, roughly maybe 210, 220 for that call. So the $12 strike will pay 220, and that will roughly then cover the cost of the put. That and including the premium that's already sold. So then I would have booked the profit from here all the way up to $12. So not bad. I'll take it. And then obviously if the market does sell off, I'm 100% protected to the downside via the put. The call premium that I sold will precipitously decay. Then the entire trade, or I should say the entire value of the put, will have been covered. And then I can then reset up for November 1st. And then after the election, I would anticipate a rally into December. Might not go that way, but I'm going to play that. I'm going to assume that would be my base case. So I'll plan accordingly around that, and we'll go from there. So far so good on this trade. Nothing further to mention at this point. So I have a few more videos that I'll be posting, but so far so good on this one, and hope everyone is having a great week and has a great weekend as well. Take care. Bye-bye.